Wear the Snapchat glasses for Snapchat. We'll probably be interested in that, right?
Same ones.
Maybe. I don't know. That's pretty cool. Time now, 17 after 12 o'clock, and it's cold out there, right? That's our biggest weather story today. Even if you haven't seen any snow, everyone has dealt with cold weather, single-digit wind chills, even after lunchtime. And we've got a little snow out there, not on the west side, though. You're totally dry. East siders, it's around Trumbull County and out into Portage and Geauga counties where we've got the snow. Out into Ashtabula, not much happening from a snow perspective. We're starting to dry out here finally, and then out into Lake County, pretty quiet. East side of Cuyahoga County, just a little bit of light snow. I expect that through the afternoon, any snow showers we see will be confined to the primary snow belt. It's cold and windy everywhere else, with maybe a little sunshine breaking out much later in the afternoon. The sun's not going to be a widespread thing, but some of you will see a few peaks of it. Tonight, lake effect winding down. This is 5 o'clock on FUTUREVIEW, and your evening commute may actually end up being totally dry on the east side and the west side. A few flurries or some light snow possible, but the overall theme of the evening drive is going to be dry, cold weather, and we're still cold tonight. Temperatures dropping into the 20s, wind chills in the teens, a few flurries not out of the question overnight and into tomorrow morning, but we are really starting to dry out here as wind shift and some drier air works its way into our viewing area. That should help to keep cutting off that lake effect. Tomorrow, we'll start off mostly cloudy. Again, a few flurries maybe around tomorrow morning as you're watching us starting at 4:30, but there will not be any significant snows out there. 20 at 7 o'clock. Not quite as windy tomorrow either. It's still going to be breezy, but not as blustery as it is today. 29 at 12 o'clock tomorrow, 34 at 3 o'clock, and we'll go with a partly sunny forecast by tomorrow afternoon. I do think we'll see more sunshine tomorrow, but the sunshine is short-lived. It is time to break out the dancing leprechaun again, guys. St. Patrick's Day is just a couple of days away, and I don't think we'll see much sunshine on Friday. Here's what we look like by 9 o'clock in the morning. We have some light snow or light rain approaching. May hold off, though, until after the parade. I've got my fingers crossed that we'll get the parade in dry, but there is a chance of some light rain and light snow around midday. So you'll need to dress warmly if you're going to be out at the parade. We'll be in the mid-30s. We get up to 40 by 3 o'clock. And at that point, it'll be warm enough to support all rain. So there will be some light rain around for all your St. Patrick's Day festivities. And there will be many of them. I know, Brian, I'm just full of good news this week.
It's okay.
Like
it's not your
my
fault.
thing to spread the good weather gospel this week. Saturday, still a little light rain and snow out there. I don't think either of these days, guys, will be a washout, but I did issue 2 weather alerts just because a lot of people are going to be out and about. I mean, Friday, St. Patrick's Day, and then Saturday, of course, the first day of the weekend. It looks like Sunday will be our pick day of the weekend, 39 and partly sunny.
I think we'll take it.
We
We have no choice. We got to take it.
We're not even at 40, but 5 days till spring.
Yeah. It's going to turn soon. What the heck?
Yeah, spring is here, so.